Hello, I am Daniel Dolare, currently in second year of BE in Computer Engineering at Anjuman-e-Islam Kalsekar Technical Campus. I am a passionate Flutter developer and I have built multiple cross-platform apps using Flutter, and I have also used Firebase as a backend. I have also built desktop apps using Python and Tkinter. Recently, I built my own portfolio website using HTML and CSS. I was a core team member in UI UX lead at DSC this year, so my work was to design posters and create small introductory videos for events. I have conducted solution challenge introductory session and learned Git and GitHub session as a speaker. I also have experience in native Android app development, database technologies, and Git and GitHub. Through conducting various events on latest technologies and taking expert sessions, the feedback from our college mates were very good as they get to learn latest technologies, get to know more about the industry and upskill themselves, which usually university lacks because of old age syllabus and rapidly growing technologies. Also, from the experience of being in DSC, I can fill the empty spaces which we left by conducting more sessions, hackathons, help everyone to become industry ready, and do more collaboration with other DSC and local developer groups, and enjoy this teaching and learning process. Thank you.